So this video is going to be all about orange pepper chicken. I didn't even know they sold orange pepper. So the first thing we did was to clean out the sink, wash our hands, and wash our meat. Okay. Ci'Niya did most of everything, but she didn't want to do the voiceover, so mommy's doing it. This is what you get, guys. So she's washing her hands, and she's gonna wash the chicken. Then we're gonna season it. Or she's gonna season it.
The bone is broken.
This is our first time using the orange pepper, but we knew we wanted a lot of it in there so we could really get that flavor.
Don't be shy. Add some more.
So here she goes.
Okay. More.
So she's gonna hit it with a little garlic powder, a little seasoned salt, black pepper. I forgot about the cayenne pepper, so we added it later. You'll see that. She cracked some eggs, about 3 into a bowl, seasoned them, then dipped the chicken in it. After that, it's ready for the air fryer. Added a little cayenne last minute because I forgot. Then by the time it was ready, I was in the car. So Ci'Niya was afraid I was going to leave her, so she brought the chicken outside. So this is the view that you got. But you know it was real good, so we had to do it again. So you got a nice photo of a plate. It was so good and crispy, guys.